Good morning, student. Today we are going to start water chapter. In a previous lecture, we have discussed about solute, solvent and solution. So what is solute? The solid part which is dissolved in liquid, that is called solute, and liquid part which dissolve solute in it, that is called solvent. And solute, solvent mixed together to form solution. You can see in figure, it is very clear. Solution means homogeneous mixture. Now also we have discussed about aqueous and non-aqueous solution. What is aqueous solution? The solution in which solvent is water. And in the case of non-aqueous solution, the solvent is other than water. Examples are given here. The aqueous solution of salt and ammonium chloride in water. Other hand, iodine is dissolved in alcohol or it is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. These are the liquid other than water, and this kind of solution is called non-aqueous solution. Now we'll talk about unsaturated solution. A solution in which solute is in lesser amount in comparison with the solvent is called unsaturated solution. In other hand, you can say that the solution in which more solute can be dissolved. Yes, my dear student, you can write in your copy, the solution in which more solute can be dissolved, that is called unsaturated solution. And in figure, you can see that salt and sugar can dissolve easily in water with less effort. Why? Because this is the example of unsaturated solution in which more solute can be dissolved. Suppose you are adding 1 tablespoon in 1 cup of water. This is the example of unsaturated solution because you can add more sugar in it. There is no any problem. But in the case of saturated solution, the saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a different amount of solvent at a given temperature is called saturated solution. Means the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. When you try to dissolve the solute in it, you can see that solute starts settling down at the bottom of the container. In a figure, very clear. Few amount of sugar and salt, it gets settled down at the bottom of container. Why it is happening? Because further solute cannot be dissolved. And this is the example of unsaturated solution. Again, I want to make you understand the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved, that is called saturated solution because their intermolecular spaces are already occupied by the solute particle. Now in the case of supersaturated solution, when we add more solute in saturated solution, that is called supersaturated. You can see that a solution that contains more than maximum amount of dissolved solute than a saturated solution, under the same condition no more solute can be added to a solution until temperature is raised. Simple, you can give the example, the solution. Which solution? Saturated solution. In the case of saturated solution, if you will add more solute in it, then further solute cannot be dissolved in it. That is called supersaturated solution. Mean when we add more solute in saturated solution, not in unsaturated. When we add more solute in saturated solution, then it becomes supersaturated. Here I am going to give you example why we are saying this kind of solution is supersaturated solution. You can see that A solution that contains more dissolved substances than a standard solution is called super saturated solution. You can write the example, and examples are given here. Solubility of sodium chloride is 36 gram in 100 ml. Yes, my dear student, in 100 ml water you can add only 36 gram salt at 20 degrees Celsius, but on heating you can add more salt in it. Means on heating, super saturated solution is formed on heating only. When we heat, we can add more solute in it, then it becomes super saturated solution. You can see very clear. Means the solubility of sodium chloride is a 36 gram only in 100 ml water at 20 degrees Celsius. But when we add more solute, we have to give the energy. That is called super saturated. Next topic is that water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as contamination of water body. Water pollution is caused when water bodies such as river, lakes, ocean, groundwater get contaminated with harmful impurities, bacteria, and dirt particles which are released from domestic uses, agricultural farmland, and factories. These are very harmful for the health of living organism. Here you can see that chemicals from the factories is coming out into the water body, and in this picture you can see that plastic, dirt particles and all dirt things are floating over the water body from the houses. You can see garbage, and these are the main causes for the water pollution. And after mixing all these chemicals, it becomes very toxic, so that organism like fish, tortoise, even human being, because we depends on water, cannot survive. So this is called water pollution. Now we will talk about causes of water pollution: domestic waste, agriculture waste, industrial waste, and petroleum spill. And all these topics will be covered in next classes. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, my dear student.